Hi there. In this video, I will talk about Locators' best practices as it is documented in the Playwright documentation. It is really important to follow the Locators' best practices because the consistency of your automation tasks is directly related in how good you find locators and how those locators are prone to change. So you should always create your locators in a way that you should think will this locator change in the future, or like this name of this button will be different in the future. So yeah, we should strive to create locators that won't be prone to change. Playwright recommends this, like attributes like text content or input placeholder, accessibility roles, and labels are user-facing attributes that change rarely, and they are not impacted by the DOM structure changes. So these are a good idea. Like if you have a text and you know that that text will have this name login, or maybe that text is that button that has a name login, it is better to find that by text than by button, because that button can change to any other type, but if the text stays the same, then the locator will work. So yeah, text is a good example. Also these placeholders, as we practiced before, are a good example, and also these combinations of test queries sometimes. So we should also define explicit contract if we can. So if you're planning ahead, like to automate things with the development team or maybe with the project manager, adding these test attributes is the best way to make the locators robust, and they will be there only for automation. So this one here, like this button, has a attribute of test directions, and if you use that here, this is the most robust locator that could be, because it's especially for the automation purposes. But sometimes we don't have that luxury, so we tend to use the ones here. But yeah, so also the ID is a good way to use in a locator because it's unique within that page, so you can also use ID. What we should avoid is this one. This will never work, and this will never be stable, so please try to avoid these kind of locators. As I said, this is kind of absolute one, and if something changes here or here, then this locator will not work. And also it is hard to read and easy to break, so you can come here and also read on your own, and you can also read the other articles following the best locator strategies. But I think I should have pointed this out in this course, because you may come in a situation when you will see that flakiness of the test is really tied up to the way you choose locators. Thank you, and see you on the next video.